One of the supports also that we offer for our students, if makita namin talaga na sobrang magaling si students,
Okay.
yung performance niya
Which is our Filipino
Correct.
students are really good.
Yes. So basically, we can still extend some discounts on their tuition.
What?
$10,000 Australian scholarship for Filipino students, and that is automatically applied. You don't need to apply for it. Well, the good thing about Pacific College of Technology, as I mentioned a while ago, we do have courses that will give eligibility for 485 visas for our students. To be honest, hindi naman natin maiiwasan talaga ang refusals. But then again, with Pacific College of Technology, we do accept students or applicants with previous refusals.
Oh, okay. Hello, good afternoon to another episode of The One and Only. Lagi niyong tinatambayan at hinihintay ang ating My Great Set Go, The Ponsel Pod. And for today, gaya nga ng mga previous episodes and videos natin, napakaraming mga bumibisita sa ating mga school representative that wants to inform you about what lies ahead in Australia. And for this afternoon, let's welcome, drum roll, we have Sir Kiko!
Hi everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thank you so much, Bansal Education and Migration, for having me today.
Sir, it's an honor. Maraming
Pleasure
salamat
is
po.
mine.
The one and only Sir Kiko, representing Pacific College of Technology, is actually here in our Philippine headquarters to actually answer some queries and do some podcasts with our live viewers for this afternoon. And we are really fortunate na talagang, I think, mabibless tayo at mabibigyan talaga tayo ng information why Pacific College of Technology is the best school for you when it comes to your program choice in your life.
Okay, everyone, good afternoon. Again, my name is Francis Adriano. I'm the Regional Marketing Manager of Pacific College of Technology. We have our campuses in New South Wales, specifically in Sydney and Auburn. Our courses varies from hospitality, automotive, we have early childhood, we also have community service, business, marketing, and the likes. We actually have more than 35 qualifications for Filipino students.
Wow, that's nice. Sir, kamusta naman yung field natin when it comes to sending Filipinos in Pacific College of Technology?
Well, basically, right now we're very happy to be in partner with a lot of agencies here in the Philippines, especially Bansang Immigration, who recently signed a contract with Pacific College of
That's
Technology.
nice.
And we're very excited to get more students from the Philippines
Yes.
to study at Pacific College.
Which maybe sila na yung mga viewers natin ngayon
Exactly, yes.
at nanonood at medyo, alam mo yun Sir Kiko, kasi for sure, nandito yung expertise nyo for this field and you might, give an insight to our viewers, especially our live viewers, plus our viewers in our podcast,
Exactly.
what lies ahead in Australia when focusing on Pacific College of Technology. Natin patagalin pa,
Right.
let's start with our first question. Sir Kiko, may you kindly talked about different courses and career opportunity na pwedeng i-take ng ating mga viewers for this afternoon. Ano yung mga popular courses sa Pacific College of Technology?
Well, to start with, Pacific College of Technology has been operating for almost 25 years now.
Ang tagal na pala, sir.
It's a very stable institution, and at the same
Nice.
time, we've received a lot of accolades and awards from the past years. Actually, just this year we received the 20-year award from Itaka.
Okay.
So we have courses that are popular among Filipinos right now. Of course, hospitality.
Alright,
We
hospitality,
have early
automotive.
childhood, and community service.
Oh, very aligned with our Filipino community.
Exactly. The good thing about these particular courses, the one that I mentioned, this will give the eligibility for students for 485 visa right after they graduate, except for community service.
So basically, sir, may naghihintay talagang buhay sa Australia
Exactly, yes.
under Pacific College of Technology.
Correct.
Wow,
And
that's
as I've mentioned a while ago, since we've been in the business for more than 24 years, almost 25 years now, we do have a lot of partner institutions and businesses
Wow.
across Sydney who can help our students right after they graduate.
talagang yung nakapirma na yung buhay nila sa Australia when it comes to that. Kasi sir, Pacific College of Technology would be really taking care of our Filipino fellow na gusto talagang ipagpatuloy ang kanilang buhay at pag-aaral when it comes to Australia. Well, that's nice.
Exactly. That's actually one of the support that we give to our
Okay.
Filipino students. Right from application up until they graduate, and we can, again, as I've mentioned a while ago, we have so many partners when it comes to different businesses in Sydney that can help out our students for their future in Australia.
Yeah, ito yung sinasabi namin here in Bansal, Philippines, no? Now, we have different partner schools around in Australia that would really be helping you step by step along the way until such time that you become really successful in your chosen pathway in Australia. So, let's talk about, you mentioned student support kanina.
Correct.
Diba, sir? So, moving to a new country, which, Australia, hindi naman siya ganun kalayo sa atin, pero well, the culture is very different. Let's talk about the support that you mentioned a while ago. What support do you provide to help international students like our viewers for this afternoon to really settle their life in Australia?
Well, first of all, again, on the side of education, once the visa has been granted for our students, we definitely help them every step of the way. And we do have a dedicated student services team who's going to help our students once they are already in the campus. And if they have any problems, they can reach out. Actually, one of our admissions and student services member is a Filipina. She's Miss Marilyn. Special mention. Shout out to Miss Marilyn.
Shout out sa iyo,
Baguio
Miss
City.
Marilyn. Alright.
So she's been with Pacific College of Technology for a long time now. And
Okay.
also one of our head trainer when it comes to automotive. He's also a Filipino and he's been working with Pacific College of Technology for more than 20 years now. So you see, these are actually some of the supports that we can give. And say for example, the student needs help when it comes to accommodation, we can also do that.
Wow, that's nice. Buti na-mention mo yun,
Yes.
sir, no? Kasi baka may mga nagtatanong, kamusta naman yung mga accommodation?
Correct.
Diba?
Yes. That's actually isa sa mga problems din ng mga
Yes.
students right now.
Actually.
Yeah.
And of course, as a Filipino, syempre hindi mawawala sa atin yung pag-iisip ng ROI eh.
Correct.
Yung return of investment. So how is it in the Pacific College of Technology, sir?
Well, the good thing about Pacific College of Technology, as I mentioned a while ago, we do have courses that will give eligibility for 485 visas for our students. So those courses are hospitality, automotive, and early childhood. So once they graduate, they can definitely apply, or they are eligible for the 485 visa. One of the supports also that we offer for our students, if makita namin talaga na sobrang magaling si students,
Okay.
yung performance niya
Which is our Filipino
Correct.
students are really good.
Yes. So basically, we can still extend some discounts on their tuition.
What?
So they just have to talk to our student services team.
Yes, exactly. Pero kaya ba ng mga viewers natin yung yung ating fees when it
Yes.
comes to that?
Definitely. If you're going to, to know more about the different fees of our programs, you just have to visit our partner agents here in the Philippines, especially Bansal Education and Migration.
Yes.
They'll be able to give you a detailed information about our courses, programs, and of course the tuition fees. And as part of our support for Filipino students, we offer a very low tuition fee deposit. Right
Okay.
now, we can go as low as 1,500 for the COE deposit or the initial tuition fee deposit.
Wow.
And also, we offer up to 10,000 Australian dollars scholarship for Filipino students, and that is automatically applied. You don't need to apply for it. Once you send your application to us through Bansal Education, of course, we will automatically give you the discount.
Matic na pala,
Yes,
sir.
up to
Wow.
10,000 Australian dollars.
Wow, up to 10,000 Australian dollars.
Correct.
So that's nice. Grabe ang ROI, no? Grabe ang pagmamahal, grabe ang care ng Pacific College of Technology when it comes to Filipinos who wants to really study and migrate in Australia, no? Another thing, sir, let's talk about, of course, since I think the Pacific College of Technology, parang some of the viewers maybe ngayon lang ito narinig. Kamusta ang ranking nito, sir, sa global community, global setting?
Actually, to be honest, since the Pacific College of Technology is an institution that offers vocational education, we really don't have that particular ranking
Okay.
globally. But again, as I've mentioned a while ago, we assure you that we can give quality education for our international students, especially Filipino students.
So, the main point of this one, sir, more on vocational, the
Correct,
VET, to be exact, which is another counterpart in the Philippines, somewhat like a TESDA.
TESDA, right.
Parang ganun. So, you don't necessarily need a bachelor's degree graduate in a way.
Yes, the minimum qualification for all our courses is actually applicants should be a graduate of senior high school. Pwede ka nang mag-send ng application to.
Kaya ng ano.
Correct.
Alright. Also, to those viewers in our podcast for this afternoon, na alam mo yun, hindi man nakapagpatuloy ng college, pero may mga certification ka aligned with the different programs na sinabi ni Sir Kiko, representing Pacific College of Technology. Well, this is for you. This is the perfect time and opportunity to drop a query, send us a message so that you'll be able to help you and align your academic eligibility when it comes to aligning you to Pacific College of Technology in behalf of Sir Kiko this afternoon. Alright? Let's talk about admission special cases. For sure, may mga na-encounter ka na refusal.
Yes.
So, how is it, sir?
To be honest, hindi naman natin maiiwasan talaga ang refusals. But then again, with Pacific College of Technology, we do accept students or applicants with previous refusals.
Oh, okay.
So long as, of course, provide mo yung reason kung bakit ka na-refuse previously, then that's fine with us. We can still accept the application.
Diba?
Yes.
Basta i-try lang nila at least pa rin, no?
Exactly.
Wag daw mawawalan ng pag-asa, no? Try lang ng try, no? Hanggat may buhay, right? Thank you so much for that clarification. At least, no, baka may nanonood na ilang beses na refuse, Pacific College of Technology is right here for you. Tanong lang kayo here at Bansal Philippines, alright? I think this would be the last question for Sir Kiko before you have message to our beloved viewers, mga kabansal. What advice would like to share to our viewers since nandito ka na, sir? No, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Binisita tayo ni Sir Kiko in our Philippine office this afternoon. Sir, take it away.
Well, some of the advices that I can give to our future applicants or future students is that this is actually one of the best time for you to think about your future. And speaking of future, please consider becoming an international student in Australia, especially with Pacific College of Technology. Again, sa sobrang dami nangyayari ngayon sa Pilipinas, it's better to start somewhere. So
Yes.
Australia is one of the best places for you to start your future. A lot of opportunities are waiting for you, especially in the field of hospitality, early childhood, automotive. So if you guys are in this kind of field, please do come and visit Bansal Education Migration so that you'll be able to know more about our different courses, offers, discounts, scholarships, and all. They're more than happy to help you out. So yeah, that will be all. Thank you so much.
Period. Grabe ang mga senior ni Sir Kiko, no, representing Pacific College of Technology. And I think that's it for this another episode of Migrate Set Go, the Console Pod. And it's really a very good info session, no, having Sir
Thank you,
Kiko
thank you.
here in Bansal, Philippines. And to our live viewers, good afternoon. And we're going to see you again in our next episode of Migrate Set Go, the Bansal Pod. Thank you so much, mga Bansal. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, everyone. Good luck.
Thank you.